Assalamu alaikum guys. Are you civil engineering student? Are you working on construction site? Are you studying? If yes, so watch this video till the end to know about basic knowledge for civil engineers. So let's get started guys. If this video is helpful for you, so you may like this video because I am guiding you for basic knowledge which more students are working on construction site but they don't know. So therefore watch. The first one is guys, if you are working on construction site, so you can see the floor beam or plinth beam. So in that case, this is a stirrup. So the hooks should be provided on 135 degree. This angle should be 135 degree. So this is very important. So it should not be on 90 degree. So this is hook, and sometimes the hooks are providing just on 90 degree. Okay, so this is wrong. Don't provide the hooks on 90 degree, but it should be provided on 135 degree. This is the first basic point. So remember, if you are working on construction site, so you should know that if you want to convert wet volume of concrete to the dry volume, so multiply it with 1.54. That's why, because wet volume increased 54% to increase to get dry volume. Okay, so how to get dry volume of concrete? How to get dry volume of concrete from wet volume? Okay, so the answer is, this is its answer. Okay, so multiply it with 1.54 because it increased 54%. Wet volume increased 54% to get dry volume. So therefore, suppose if wet volume of concrete is, what is wet volume? Volume of beam, column or slab. For example, this is slab. Slab volume is 12 feet. Multiply 10 feet, multiply 0.5 feet or 6 inches. So in that case, when you get any volume, okay, any volume when you get, so it should be multiplied with, so my wet volume multiply with 1.54, then you will get dry volume. So this is simple. Okay, next one is guys, lapping. If you are working on construction site, so lapping of beam and column should not be less than from 50D. Okay, where D is die of steel. Suppose you are using die of steel 12 mm. So 12 mm multiply 50. Okay, so you will get 600 mm. So this will be lapping length. Okay, so if that is beam or column, but it should not be less than 50D. So where is the lapping you can provide guys? You can see this is one steel rod and this is the other one. So we are providing the lapping. Okay, remember this point. Now the next one is guys, for beam. Don't provide lapping at the center or at the end of the support. And tension zone. So let me guide you here. Guys, you can see this is the long section of beam and this is its cross section. So this is tension zone and this is compression zone. Remember guys, and tension zone at the bottom. So don't provide, guys, you can see this is steel rod. So don't provide lapping at the center and don't provide at the end of the support, or you can say at the distance of L by 4. L by 4 means this is one support and this is other support. This is total length. So L divided by 4. So at this place and also at this place, don't provide lapping. But you can provide the lapping in top portion. Here you can provide lapping, but at the middle you can provide. So this is okay. But at the bottom or in tension zone, you don't provide. You can't provide the lapping at the middle and at the end of the support, because here we have maximum shear stresses. So due to maximum shear stresses, we cannot provide the overlapping because it's providing hogging. Okay, so in that case, the lapping should not be provided at the end of the support or at the middle, but it should be provided at the distance of L by 5. After L by 4, you can provide lapping, but not at the middle or not at the end of the support, but at the top portion, you can provide the lapping at the middle. Okay, this is very important. Next is very important, guys. The next question is, if you are working on construction site, okay, so here concrete blocks. So normal at the thickness of 6 inches. So at the thickness of 6 inches, you can provide the lapping, the concrete blocks from 25 mm to 40 mm, or you can say from 1 inch to 1.5 inches. So this is also very important. Next, guys, remember here the next question is related NRCC beam. Okay, so provide development length. At the end of the beam. At the end of the beam. How? Guys, you can see this is a beam and this is a column. Okay. So here when you are placing the steel rods, longitudinal bars, so these are the column bars, these, okay, and this is beam bar. So provide development length like this. It will go upside. This is also, and these steel rods, the upper will going to the downward side. Okay, so these steel rods, these development length can make a good bond between steel and concrete, and we can bind with RCC columns, steel reinforcement, to make a good bond. So here, guys, you can see these are steel reinforcement for the top and these are for bottom. So this is upper portion and this is lower portion. Okay, like this. So these are development length. You can say LD. Okay, so this development length should not be less than 9 inches. So it should be in 9 inches. Next question, guys, also very important to know. So at the end of the support, as I told you here, at the end of the support, so this is one support, this is other support. So this is L, length between two column. So here at the distance of L by 4, you should provide crank bar or bent up bar. Okay, because here we have negative bending moment, here we have negative bending moment, there we have positive bending moment. So L by 4 means length between two columns should be divided by 4. So at the distance of L by 4, you should provide crank bar or bent up bar or extra steel rods to resist negative bending moment. So guys, these are some important information, especially basic knowledge for civil engineers if you are working on a construction site. So you should remember these points. So in next video, I will also guide you for more basic points. Hope this short video can help you. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Goodbye.